I'm going to show you how to repair your Wonder Hose. Okay, the next step is after you get your hose off of your spigot, you want to cut it. I'd say about an inch further back than this plastic piece here. You can use scissors. I just happen to have these little clippers here, and just simply cut it about an inch behind this plastic piece here. Okay, you then have something that looks like this. You want to unscrew this plastic piece right here from this part right here. This is the female, this is the male end. You unscrew it and then you slide it off. Almost got it. Yeah. Okay, this is the completed project. Actually, I'm reusing the actual plastic male connector that came off of the hose. I've slid the hose on there. I've used a small tie to hold that in. And now I'm going to slide the little plastic female piece and screw it on there. Okay, and now for the test. No leaks. And so that's how you repair your Wonder Hose.